getting blown up on email with Mother Day specials. Wow, they don't play, right?
95.7 The Party. Home of the Party Prize Vault. To win the biggest and best prizes in the Mile High. 30 minutes past the hour. Sold out. Packs of tickets to the Denver Zoo, plus Wendy's gift cards, $100 Visa gift cards, and more. Get all the Party Prize Vault info at 957theparty.com.
7 of 10 presents The Power of 10. If you can pack this much food into one mouth. Well, I mean, he looks amazing. But 7 of 10 can pack the full flavor of 7 Up into only 10 calories. If you can pack this much TMI into one posting.
Beach season, shaped legs for the first time in months. #Sasquatch.
And this much backpedaling into one statement.
Baby, I didn't mean that you look like your mom, Val. I just mean that you two are in the same shape. I mean, geez, did I mention how good you look because you're
Then 7 Up 10 can pack the full flavor of 7 Up into only 10 calories. 7 Up flavor, only 10 calories. That's the power of 10. 7 Up 10. Pack your grocery cart with plenty of 7 Up 10 the next time you visit your local Walgreens. The full 7 Up flavor that's packed into only 10 calories. That's the power of 10. 7 Up 10.
The Goddard School offers the best childhood also an academic success. Children discover that learning is fun, feel safe, and learning for fun, learning for life. Visit GoddardSchool.com.
It's big. It's Common Home Plus Big going on now. Shop TVs, electronics, appliances, furniture, mattresses, and more. Get 0% interest for 46 months on any purchase, $7.99 and on subject to credit approval. Minimum monthly payments required. See store for details. Apply and get approved for your Yes Money credit at Cons.com. And get to the new Cons Home Plus in Centennial in South Chester and East County Line Road, and in Aurora at I-225 in East Alameda.
Cody and Mac here. You know the spokesbearers for the Honey Smoke Biz Company. Time to get smartphone. Let's see how smart it is. Where can we buy Honey Smokes in?
Costco, Super, Sway, Sam's Club.
Who's cooler, me or Mac?
Cody.
Oh, it is smart.
Saving on things that fit your home vibe should be a holiday in itself. We'll call it New Towel Day. We'll dance and sing about our new home-enhancing whatevers. Then for 3 days starting Thursday, we'll get more deals at the JCPenney It's Your Spring Sale, like a 7-piece Jacquard Queen Comforter set for just $99.99. And get 20% off when we use our JCPenney credit card, or 15% off